How to see my purchase history on Temu. So basically, in order to see your purchase history, follow these simple steps. Firstly, open the Temu app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Temu account if you have not already. Now tap on the profile icon usually saying You located at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on the My Orders or a similar option there. After you tap on the My Orders, you will see a list of past orders. Tap on an individual order to view details such as items purchased, order status, payment information, tracking details, and many more. So that is it. This is how easily you can find your orders in Temu. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.